Hello and welcome to the Grand Series by Asia One Magazine and URS Media Consulting, known as Asia One Greatest Brands and Leaders, Asia and GCC 2019-20. Through this series, we attempt to showcase the awe-inspiring success stories of some of the most eminent Asian brands and leaders all over the world who have immensely contributed towards the growth of the Asian and world economy. The curtain raiser will be from none other than the man behind the vision Greatest Brands and Leaders, Mr. Rajat Shukl, Global Head and Principal Partner to URS Media Consulting and Asia One Magazine.
World's greatest brands and leaders. Today the problem is that the first few brands that come to your mind are either American or European brands, and out of Europe also maybe only British and French. Whereas the Asian community is the largest consumer for all these brands worldwide. And we wanted to start something, and we got it trademarked in 9 countries of Asia, which is called the World's Greatest Brands and Leaders, Asia GCC. And we wanted to propagate this vision that we want to produce coffee table books, magazines, feature these brands and leaders so that tomorrow, futuristically, whenever somebody would 10 years later, 15 years later pick up these publications or have a look, they would come to know that world's greatest brands were also in Asia and GCC. Anything that happens anywhere in the world today, as we speak also, you would get that news on a mobile application or as a pop-up on your phone. So we thought that the core of our business needs to change from news to now research.
We also have here with us a very special guest, Honorable Minister of Education, Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, who is here with us to throw some light upon the Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, which has been initiated to only further the government's agenda on a self-reliant country.
देखिए ना, मोदी जी बहुत ही विजनरी हैं और दुनिया में बहुत कम लोग ऐसे हैं जो विजनरी भी हों और मिशनरी भी हों। आत्मनिर्भर भारत है, इस आत्मनिर्भर भारत के साथ जो ये विषय जुड़ा है, ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण विषय जुड़ा है। और जो वोकल फॉर लोकल की जो उन्होंने हमेशा बात की है और उसी को लेकर के वो आगे आत्मनिर्भर भारत का एक मंत्र दिया है, दिशा दी है। आत्मनिर्भर भारत किस तरीके से एक संकल्प लेकर के हम कैसे आगे बढ़ेंगे, गांव-गांव को, गांव शहर सब अपने आत्मनिर्भरता की ओर बढ़ेंगे, ये अभियान निश्चित रूप में सफल होगा। और मुझे लगता है कि सारी दुनिया में अपने तरीके के ये अभियान जो मेक इन इंडिया, डिजिटल इंडिया, स्किल इंडिया, स्टार्टअप और स्टैंड अप से होकर के गुजरेंगे, वो मेरे आत्मनिर्भर भारत की आधारशिला बनेंगे। तो मुझे बहुत विश्वास है, पूरे देश को विश्वास है, अब तो दुनिया को भी विश्वास है कि मोदी जी ने जो आत्मनिर्भर भारत की बात की और ऐसे संकट की घड़ी में 20 लाख करोड़ का एक महा पैकेज दिया, ये निश्चित रूप में भारत को बहुत सशक्त करने के लिए एक बहुत महत्वपूर्ण निर्णय है और उसके लिए पूरा देश मोदी जी का आभार भी प्रकट करता है।
We have another message from Honorable Union Minister of Minority Affairs, Shri Mukhtar Abbas Naqvi, highlighting the various major initiatives Government of India has been undertaking to promote vocal for local agenda.
हमारा देश जो है वो स्वदेशी विरासत से भरपूर है। कश्मीर से लेकर कन्याकुमारी तक, अटक से लेकर कटक तक अगर आप देखेंगे तो हर जगह हमारे दस्तकारों की, शिल्पकारों की, कारीगरों की ये जो शानदार जानदार विरासत है वो भरी पड़ी है। पहली बात यह है कि हमारा देश संभावनाओं से भरा हुआ देश है और आज अगर दुनिया में सबसे उभरती हुई आर्थिक रूप से कोई शक्ति है तो वो है मेरा हिंदुस्तान। हिंदुस्तान में जो संभावनाएं हैं उस संभावनाओं को पूरी दुनिया स्वीकार भी कर रही है, समझ भी रही है और हमें उन संभावनाओं को मजबूती देने में अपनी हिस्सेदारी और भागीदारी बराबर से करनी होगी। इस आपदा के समय में भी प्रधानमंत्री जी ने आपदा को अवसर बनाने का जो एक बहुत बड़ा संकल्प लिया। आपको मालूम होगा कि 3 दर्जन से ज़्यादा सामाजिक, आर्थिक, शैक्षणिक, चाहे कोल क्षेत्र हो, चाहे स्पेस का क्षेत्र हो, चाहे एविएशन का क्षेत्र हो, चाहे एग्रीकल्चर का क्षेत्र हो, बहुत बड़े बड़े रिफॉर्म किए गए हैं। और उस रिफॉर्म का नतीजा है कि आज जो है ईज़ ऑफ डूइंग बिजनेस, ईज़ ऑफ डूइंग प्रोडक्शन, ईज़ ऑफ डूइंग एग्रीकल्चर, सारी चीज़ों को एक आसानी मिली है।
The main aim of Asia One Greatest Brands and Leaders Asia and GCC series is to highlight the actual drivers of India's and Asia's economic engine. In fact, the greatest brands and leaders have been playing a significant role in shaping the economy of Asia and the world.
Join us as we make you meet some of these exceptional winners. We start with the prestigious selection of the most prominent personalities from India.
Let's begin with the most coveted category, Asia One Global Indian of the Year 2019-20. The leaders and the brands that have been awarded under this category are Mr. Sameer Modi, founder and managing director, Modi Care, and Dr. Kishle Pandey, executive chairman, Managing Juris LLP.
An intuitive entrepreneur constantly striving to bring in new and radical ideas to life. Sameer Modi, founder and managing director Modi Care, at a young age of 25 years in 1996, launched India's first direct selling company, Modi Care, with a vision of giving freedom to the common man. His mantra for success? Soch badlo, khud ko badlo, duniya badlo.
When I was studying in the US, I realized that this industry was making more millionaires than any industry out there. And as I look back, this very industry of network marketing did not exist in India. India was used to home selling. Indians were used to doing small businesses. But there was no business out there that was structured, that gave money, that made dreams come true.
With innovative thinking and power-packed passion, he set upon achieving the impossible, and in the process, changing lives of lakhs of Indians by giving them azadi to realize their dreams. With his finger on the pulse of the emerging new Indian consumer, Sameer Modi created an Indian cosmetics brand offering products at par with international brands. This led him to establish Calabar Cosmetics in 2004. Another brainchild of his is the 24/7 convenience stores, India's first of its kind round-the-clock convenience retail chain, launched in 2005. It now has over 90 stores in Delhi, NCR, Chandigarh. Today, his company is a major player in the industry dominated by giants.
I'm more confident today than I was when I started the business that this business will change lives of people who want to change their lives.
Managing Juris LLB, serving across the nation and on global platform with more than 44 years of experience, faith, disciplined work culture and responsibilities. Under the control and supervision of Dr. Kishle Pandey, Solicitor Honorable Supreme Court of India, Managing Juris are undisputed masters of legal strategy as well as compliances. Dedicated to delivering only excellent solutions to fulfill various needs which follow strong professional ethics, Magnesium Juris, because of its highly competent and subject-oriented professional, has a global presence.
Magnesium Juris has ceaselessly spearheaded the most effective, free and fair tool of redressal of justice for the especially needy and the leftover aggrieved masses all across the globe. Its heart throbs every time with the everlasting oxygens of Fiat Justitia Ruet Caelum. In simple English, it would mean that let there be justice even if heaven falls. The grief and grievance-ridden people at large and length have bestowed their indefeasible trust and confidence upon Magnesium Juris, which is the basic fuel propelling it to fight for justice with highest magnitude and quantum of knowledge. Its journey to justice has been completely dedicated exactly on the lines of staunch professional ethics and disciplines. And it is this bone marrow which has incredibly emerged to be the foundation stone of the legendary Managium Juris in time.
And it's time for a short break, but stay tuned as we will be right back with the panoramic presentation of success stories of Asia One Greatest Brands and Leaders. Welcome back to the Grand Series, namely Asia One Greatest Brands and Leaders, Asia and GCC 2019-20, brought to you by Asia One Magazine and URS Media. Well, the upcoming categories are India's Greatest Brands and Leaders 2019-20 and Women Empowerment Leaders 2019-20. India's Greatest Brands and Leaders Award talks about companies and leaders who have been contributing towards the growth of the region, and the Women Empowerment Award, in association with UN Global Compact Network, recognizes the achievement of awe-inspiring women across varied spheres. The brands and leaders that were awarded under this category are Miss Sania Mirza, iconic tennis player.
Sania Mirza started her tennis career at the age of 6 at Nizam Club, Hyderabad, and then went on to win memorable singles and double titles by recording notable triumphs over the existing toppers of the sport. She has won the WTA title, making her the first Indian woman to have achieved this feat. The pride of the nation, Sania Mirza has charted her distinct course to success with a determination and passion for the sport.
Thank you, Asia One, for this honor. I think it's amazing to be with such inspiring faces, a lot of my friends as well. It's recognitions like this that inspire us to work harder, to do better in whatever we can, and to be the best versions of ourselves. It's moments like this that make you believe and make you want to work harder for that glory.
Saifi Hospital, Mumbai, India.
A 254-bedded multi-speciality hospital, Saifi Hospital is one of Mumbai's renowned healthcare facilities. Inaugurated by Dr. Manmohan Singh, former Prime Minister of India, on the 4th of June 2005, Saifi Hospital's core strength is a well-known slogan, "Prevention is better than cure." The hospital, with its credentials of world-class infrastructure, latest technology, professionals of high skills, and top-notch managed staff, works to add vitality to patients' lives and offers the patients the best available treatment, the utmost convenience, and the lowest possible prices.
Mr. Shivang Luthra, Managing Director, Ramakrishna Electro Component.
Established in 1982, Ramakrishna Electro Components Private Limited is a leading electronics component distributor, providing quality components, design support and supply chain management, support to the original equipment manufacturers, original design manufacturers, and electronics manufacturing services in India.
Formerly, we were known more or less like a trading company, and what we have done in the past couple of years, that we have expanded our team and focused more on design business, and we have developed in-house designs for customers ranging from Tier A to small customers like Tier C, developing boards, developing designs, and catering to customers all over India and to Asia Pacific as well. We are happy to introduce that we have few more product lines coming in this year, and we are happily investing in more principles in the years to come.
Mr. Nilava Verma, CEO, Primus Partner Private Limited.
Primus Partners Private Limited is a globally renowned management consultant with experience in leading large transformation programs and advising governments in more than 20 countries. A go-to trusted partner for both public and private sector organizations, it is involved intricately in nation building. It has a unique approach to examining futuristic ideas required for growth of an organization, sector, or geography from the point of view of ground implementation.
The reason we started Primus Partners was very simple. We want to work with our clients as partners to help solve the most important and complex issues that not only help our clients but more importantly help India achieve its true potential. Therefore, we focus on a few areas: investment promotion, public policy, impact realization, as well as technology assessment. An integral part of what makes Primus different is our core values. Core values of Primus, which is about passion, which is about respect not just for an individual but diversity of thought, about integrity, which is core to delivering value and sustainable value. It's about mastery of certain subjects, it's about teamwork, and that makes us together, and my personal favorite, which is about stewardship.
Ms. Seema Singh, CEO, Karthik Sourcing Private Limited.
Founded in the year 2000, Karthik Sourcing is an international sourcing house built upon the core values of innovation, creativity, and commitment. Specializing in innovative fabrics and offering a complete and diverse range that is manufactured in Asia, Karthik Sourcing also makes their own set of designs and collections close to the upcoming season, helping customers to create their own collections to showcase their garments to international brand. Their mantra: maintain quality, provide competitive price, and ensure timely delivery.
We do high fashion fabrics for many reputed brands of USA, Europe and UK. We are nominated supplier for brands like Gap, Zara, H&M, Massimo Dutti, Jigsaw, Maze, etc. So all this while I've been sourcing all the fabrics from China, and then I handled complete supply chain management from development to shipment to the factories. So I have decided to create employment for at least minimum 300,000 artisans in next 12 to 18 months, where I will create a proper working environment for them, infrastructure for them, and I also get them in investment where I can help them with the raw material.
It's time for another short break, but stay tuned as we will be back with awe-inspiring success sagas of various brands and leaders. Welcome back to the grand series called Asia One Greatest Brands and Leaders, Asia and GCC 2019-20 by Asia One Magazine and URS Media. The upcoming categories are Asia One Young Asian Entrepreneur 2019-20 and 40 Under 40 Most Influential Indians 2020-21. These are the esteemed annual selections of some of the most young leaders who have been playing a significant role in the development of Asian economy and society. Asia One aims to recognize those special brands and leaders who have swiftly advanced on the growth curve and have acquired a position of prominence. The brands and leaders that have been awarded under this category are Ms. Jyotsna Reddy, Founder and CEO, Ms. Santoshi Reddy, Co-Founder, Brand Strategy and Innovation, 20 Beauty.
Jyotsna Reddy, Founder and CEO, and Santoshi Reddy, Co-Founder, Brand Strategy and Innovation, 20 Beauty, are two sisters behind the 20 Beauty, India's first makeup vending machine. This revolutionary makeup brand's dream is to curate skin-perfect makeup, which would make any young woman feel good in her own skin.
It's an armory of confidence that will make you feel powerful. It all began with my quest and struggle to find makeup that suited my skin color, the devoid of the makeup brand that I can resonate with, and also quality benchmarks has ignited my passion to curate an inclusive makeup brand with skin nurturing ingredients. We want women to embrace themselves and feel beautiful in every color, as makeup is not to mask your skin color but to accentuate your features and express yourself.
With years of research from all around the world and procuring enriching beauty ingredients to meet the standards of international beauty brands, 20 Beauty aims to allow consumers to buy everything ranging from lipsticks to highlighters and buy it anytime.
Our human resources and R&D are quite exceptionally brilliant. We have pioneered in identifying talented individuals and harnessing their efforts. We've been able to build a community that preaches innovation and bloom in dynamic environment. Implementation of innovative technologies in beauty industry, notably our vending machines that stood as a game changer in South Asia. We've been able to formulate makeup with not just good coverage, but also that's sustainable on skin that will essentially achieve great playtime and great payoff.
Mr. Kevin Albuquerque, Chief Trading Officer, RVR Ventures.
Professional financial services provider RVR Venture is a team of coders, traders, and financial data analysts with 14 years in forex and bullion trading. RVR Ventures is a master of all trades, from manual traders to automated trading robots, from algorithms to manual trading analysis, from automated trading signals to automated trade execution by robots. They have it all under one roof.
Analyzing the confusing financial markets has always been the biggest challenge for me as a market analyst. And that's basically where the journey with RVR Ventures began, to simplify those complicated set of calculations. And here we are today with our automated trading robots powered by neural network, delivering exceptional accuracy at lightning speeds. It's almost like imagining a robot guiding you with market direction while it analyzes 132 parameters, and another robot executing that analysis on the trading platform. We achieved so that you can believe. And it's our motto at RVR Venture: achieve, believe.
So well, ladies and gentlemen, those were the most awe-inspiring success stories of prominent brands and leaders from across Asia and GCC. With that, thank you and goodbye. Thank you so much for watching.